Today, I'm going to show you how to download Twitter videos directly to your iPhone camera roll for free. So, without further delay, let's get started. First things first, you can't just download any video from Twitter without permission, as each video has copyright protection. Ensure you have the necessary permissions before downloading and using any Twitter videos to avoid legal issues. Alright, let's dive in. Open the Twitter app on your iPhone. Find the video you want to download. Tap on the video, scroll down a bit, and tap the share icon. Then, select Copy Link to copy the video link to your iPhone's clipboard. Minimize Twitter and open Safari or any other browser. In the URL field, type Twitter Video Downloader and search. You will find several websites that offer Twitter video downloading services. Open one of these Twitter Video Downloader websites. Tap on the URL box, paste the copied link, and tap the download button. The video should now be visible. Scroll down to see various download options for different video resolutions. Long press the Download Video button and select Download Linked File. Once the video starts downloading, tap the download icon and go to the Downloads section to view the downloaded video. You have successfully downloaded a Twitter video to your iPhone camera roll for free. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.